Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Cloudflare Zero Trust connector on Windows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Cloudflare Zero Trust connector on Windows, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Cloudflare Zero Trust website URL. Once the page loads, navigate to the Downloads section. Look for the Zero Trust connector option listed there. Click on the link to download the Windows installer. A prompt will appear asking if you want to save the file. Choose the destination on your computer where you want to save the installer. After the download completes, locate the downloaded file in your specified folder. Double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the connector. Accept the terms and conditions when prompted. Choose the installation directory or stick with the default setting. Click on the Install button to start the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments. Once finished, click on the Finish button. Now, find the Cloudflare Zero Trust connector in your Start menu. Click on it to launch the application. You may need to log in with your Cloudflare Zero Trust account credentials. After logging in, you'll be ready to configure your connector settings. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed the Cloudflare Zero Trust connector on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.